Polygons, what are they? Well, it's a closed figure made of straight lines. This is not a polygon because it's curved and doesn't have straight line and isn't closed. It does have two straight lines, but because it's curved, it's not a polygon and it's closed here, or it's not closed. Polygon is right here. You have straight lines, it closes off, so it's a polygon. A special type of polygon is called a regular polygon. What that means is that all of the sides are equal lengths and all of the angles are equal measure. Well, the sides are measured here, these lengths right here, and the angles are actually these things here. These corners are your angles. And in a regular polygon, they're all exactly the same size. So this, for example, is not regular because these sides aren't equal and the angles aren't. Let's look at some specific examples. A triangle is a special type of polygon that has three sides and three angles. Right here, 1, 2, 3 angles or corners, and 1, 2, 3 sides. A regular triangle is called equilateral. It's an equilateral triangle. This is kind of what it would look like. It's not perfect because by hand I can't really draw perfect triangles that are all equal, but ideally it looks something like this. Quadrilateral, the most important one in 3rd grade, is 4 sides and 4 angles. Here's an example of one. Up, down, 4 sides, and then your 4 corners. The shape on the polygon in the slide before was also a quadrilateral. It had 4 sides, 4 angles. Regular quadrilateral is something you've all heard of. It's called a square. Equal sides, equal angles. That is a regular quadrilateral. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Here's an example of what one might look like. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. A regular pentagon will look something like this. It is 5 equal sides, 5 equal angles. Hexagon is 6 sides and 6 angles. Again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles, so it's a hexagon. A regular hexagon has 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. This isn't perfectly drawn, but this is generally what it would look like. Octagon, 8 sides. I did skip 7. You can draw 7-sided figures. Some people call them septagons, some people call them heptagons, but they're not too important for what we're studying now. So we're just going to move on to octagons. That's 8 sides, 8 angles. This is an example of one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles or corners in there. A regular octagon, you've all seen them before. It's a stop sign. It has 8 equal sides and 8 equal angles, and it looks basically like a stop sign. A decagon, 10 sides and 10 angles. This was really hard to draw. I had to mark the angles with dots so I knew where I bent it, because when you get to so many sides, it's hard to draw it. I don't know why. I think it just almost looks like a circle. Anyways, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. Don't worry about writing this down in your notes. This is going to take you too long to figure out and draw. Don't worry about that one. Copy down the other shapes, but not the decagon. A regular decagon, I didn't even try to draw that one. It's 10 equal sides and 10 equal angles. Would be a regular decagon. A regular, any type of polygon has equal sides, equal angles. Alright, let's practice. What type of polygon? Look at these 3 shapes, pause the video, write down what you think. This first one, what type of polygon is that? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Oh, that's a pentagon. Pentagon, 5 sides, 5 angles. It's not regular though, because all the angles and sides aren't equal. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's a quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral, has 4 sides, 4 angles. Finally, this was the trick one. Did you pick a polygon? Because you shouldn't have. This one is actually not a polygon. This is not a polygon. Don't write it's a circle. Write it's not a polygon. Because that's what we're focused on here. What is and what isn't. This has curved lines. It doesn't have any straight lines at all. So because of that, it's not even a polygon. Here's your learning target. I can use attributes to identify shapes. This is all I want you to do. Draw a quadrilateral, 4 sides, a hexagon, 6 sides, 6 angles, and one shape that isn't a polygon. So you want one that isn't a hexagon, a quadrilateral. You're going to draw 3 shapes, 2 polygons, quadrilateral, hexagon, and then one that is not.